Assalamu alaikum. Today I am in front of you to discuss the proofs of logarithms rules. The first rule is product rule. It's here log base a of mn equals log base a of m plus log a base a of n. Okay, we need to prove this left hand side to the right hand side. In this case, first we will suppose this term is as x and this term is as y. Okay, so let me write it over here. Log of a base a of m equals x and log base a of n equals y. So let me write this let me write it in exponential form. So what it would be, that would be m equals a raised to the power x. Okay, a raised to the power x. Likewise here I can write it like this: n equals a raised to the power y. This is your argument, this is your argument. Okay, this is your base, this is your base, and this is your exponent, and this is also your exponent. Keep it in your mind. Okay, so let's get started. There are two equations. Yes, now there are two equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2. So what will you do here? Because we need mn, left hand side it has mn, means product of m and m. We will multiply left hand side to the left hand side of the equation and right hand side to the right hand side of the equation. That would be mn equals a raised to the power x and a raised to the power y. We have multiplied left hand side to the left hand side and right hand side to the right hand side. I can write it like this also, that is a, because bases are same, powers would be added. This is the rule of exponents. Okay, so I have written it like this. Now what will we do? We can write this exponential form in logarithmic form. ठीक है, तो हम इसको दोबारा logarithmic form में लेके जाएंगे. That is mn equals x plus y, and as we have supposed in the beginning that the value of x is log base a of m and the value of y is log base a of n. So plug the values in. That would be log a of m plus log a of n, and that is the same with from where we have started. This is here. Now let's go towards the next law, which is called quotient law or quotient rule. Let me write it over here. Log a m upon n. This is quotient law. So I have written quotient over here, the quotient of m and n. Okay, how can you write it? By after applying the log. This is log a m minus this is log of a n. Okay, we need to prove these two sides are equal to each other. The same thing we will apply over there. Let us suppose this is x and this is y. Okay, let me write it over here. Log a m equals x and log of a n equals y. So that would be m equals a raised to the power x. Okay, ये a के ऊपर पावर x चली जाती है और यहाँ a के ऊपर पावर y चली जाती है. It's very easy to write it in this form. So that is y. And now there are two equations. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Now you can see here this is m upon n. So we need to divide left hand side by the left hand side and right hand side by the right hand side. So that would be m upon n. Okay, and ax upon ay. Okay, I have divided this m by n and a raised to the power x by a raised to the power y. Okay, so let me write it like this, and after that this is m upon n, and there is quotient law of exponent. What it would be, a लिखा हमने और x आएगा, that will go up with negative sign, that would be a raised to the power x minus y, and this is m upon n. Okay, this is exponential form. I am going to write it in logarithmic form, so that would be log base a of m upon n, your argument. This is your argument, would be equal to your exponent. Okay, and what was that? X, you have supposed here x is equal to this and y is equal to this, so replace the values, that is log of a m minus log of a y, and that is log of a m upon n. You have proved it. Okay, in this way we have got this. What will we do here? यहाँ भी हमें supposition करनी होगी, so that's log of a m n. Let us suppose this is x, इसको हमने x के equal suppose कर लिया है. Okay, and what it would be, m raised to the power n equals a raised to the power x. Likewise here we have supposed log a m equals y. Okay, so what it would be, m equals a raised to the power y. Okay, now what will you do? M raised to the power n, here the value of m is a raised to the power y. ठीक है, तो I will put the value of m over here. This is y raised to the power n. Okay, a raised to the power x, and what is this? A y n equals a raised to the power x. Bases are same, powers would be equal, so that would be y n is equal to x. Okay, and what was that x? X is log of a m raised to the power n. What is the value of y? Y is log a m. Okay, and this is multiplied by, what is this? This is n. Let me write it like this. ये पूरी एक term है, इसलिए ये इस तरह लिखी जाएगी n, and we can write it like this, n log a base a of m is equal to log base a of m raised to the power n. इसको आप ब्रैकेट कर लीजिए और यहाँ भी ब्रैकेट कर लीजिए. ठीक है, sorry for that. This is the base, this is like this. Okay, m raised to the power n, and I can write it like this also. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को राइट पे लेके चले जाएं, कुछ भी हम खास नहीं कर रहे हैं, ऐसे लिख लिया, और यहाँ आ जाएगा n of log. So this is the third rule which we have proved. Look here, this that was there. ठीक है, ये वही फॉर्म आपकी बन गई है. Now the last but not the least change of base rule. Okay, let me write it over here first. Log a n is equal to log b n upon log base b. Okay, left hand side, right hand side, we need to prove that these are equal. Okay, this is the argument, and in the numerator argument is same but base is changed. दोनों के base को हमने change कर दिया है, और नीचे जो आपके पास जो यहाँ base था वो नीचे, यानी in the denominator, that would be the argument. Okay, now we need to prove left hand side and right hand side. ठीक है, first of all let me take log of bn equals x. इस वाले पॉइंट से हम स्टार्ट लेंगे. इसको हमने किसके इक्वल ले लिया है? x के इक्वल ले लिया है. ओके, एंड आई विल राइट इट इन एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म as n is equal to b of x. Now we will take this left hand side as log an. Okay, it would be equal to n की वैल्यू हम यहाँ से पुट करेंगे. What it would be? Log of a b of x. Okay, and that would be, as you already know that x will come first. ये आपने rule apply किया है, power rule. Okay, so that would be log base a of b. ठीक है. Now what will you do? The value of x is, this is here the value of x. X is log of bn and log a of b. So this is log an is equal to this. And now what will you do here? That will go in the denominator as log of bn upon log of, यहाँ आपके पास जो रूल है उसके अकॉर्डिंगली यहाँ आपके पास बेसिस जो हैं वो जो आपका आर्ग्यूमेंट है वो बेस बन जाएगा और जो बेस है वो आर्ग्यूमेंट में चेंज हो जाएगा. बस आपको b और a को रिप्लेस करना है. दैट इज b a. दिस इज log a n. ठीक है. तो ये आपके पास फॉर्म बन गई है जो आपके पास यहाँ पूछा गया था. अच्छा, समटाइम्स इट हैपन्स दैट दे आस्क दैट इज इक्वल टू log of bn the same as in the numerator and multiplied by log of a b. Okay, ये वाली फॉर्म जब मल्टीपल में आती है तो उसको इस तरह लिखा जाता है. अगर आपसे ये पूछा जाता तो आप यहाँ तक करके इसको छोड़ देते. ठीक है, यहाँ तक करके छोड़ देंगे. लेकिन अगर आपसे ये पूछा जाएगा तो ये फिर आपको लास्ट तक लेकर यहाँ तक जाना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, इसको कई दफ़ा प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिए. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे विद द रूल्स ऑफ लॉगरिथम.